Let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all my dear students. Standard 5 Subject Computer Topic Data Storage in Computers Part 1. Children, just like we human beings store data in our brain, which is memory, a computer too has a memory. A physical storage space such as chip or a device which can store information temporarily or permanently is called a computer memory. A computer memory is a temporary storage area that stores data and instruction before processing them. Computer consists of two types of memory. First one is primary and second one is secondary. The maximum amount of data that can be stored in a computer is called its storage capacity. A computer's memory is made up of integrated circuits, which is ICs, and it is measured in bytes. How does the computer memory understand the information we type? Does the computer speak our language? No, computer does not understand human language. The computer can only understand binary system language consisting of two digits, which is 0 and 1, and within them they communicate. ICs, that means integrated circuits, which make up the computer memory, are capable of storing small electronic signals. The presence of charge is represented as 1 while the absence of charge is represented as 0. These ones and zeros are called as bits. A bit is the short of the binary digit 0 and 1. It is the smallest unit recognized by the computer. Children, please understand, 1 bit, that means the value of 0 or 1, and 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So a byte is used to represent a single character of text in a computer. So 1 byte can store one letter. If the character A is to be represented, it would be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now children, next topic is types of memory. As I told you, computer's memory is two type of memory. First one is primary and second one is secondary memory. Today we are going to learn primary memory. So the primary memory is also known as the main memory of a computer. It is inbuilt memory of a computer in which data and instruction are stored for processing. Yes, the primary memory is made up of integrated circuits and is faster compared to the secondary memory. The primary memory is subdivided into two parts. The first one is RAM, which is random access memory. Second one is ROM, which is read-only memory. So let us look RAM and ROM. The first one is RAM. The term RAM stands for random access memory. It is often called the main memory of the computer. It holds the data and the instruction on which computer is currently working. The program's instructions such as printing a document, opening a browser, etc., are stored in this memory. The data in the memory is erased or wiped out if the computer is switched off. The second one is ROM. The term ROM stands for read-only memory. As the name indicates, information can only be read from this type of memory. The contents of the ROM cannot be changed and can only be read by the CPU. Hence, it is called read-only memory. It stores important data required by the system, such as instruction to boot a computer. So children, today we learn the types of memory. Only first one, primary memory. In the next part, we are going to learn the secondary memory, which is data storage device. For today, only this much. Thank you for watching the video. Keep learning something new. Thank you.